Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial. Hope you guys are doing good. So I will show you how to create a birthday flyer and also how to blur the edges of shapes. So now let's change the background to white. So you click on color and then white. So the next thing to do is to import your picture using the import icon. So once you click the import icon, to lead you straight to your gallery, and then you import your picture from the location where the file is saved, and then you click OK. So now use the resize icon or the position icon to move or increase the size of your picture. So what you're going to do next now is to import the white background I use for this design. All the icons, PNGs and stock photos I used in this design, I will drop a link below the description, the link that will lead you to my drive where you can get those files. So now you click on the image and choose any of these ratios. I'll be using, for this video I'll be using 1:1 for the design. So next is to click on the relative size icon and then increase the width to 100. As you can see, it automatically increased everything. So what I did now was to move the background to the back by clicking to the back icon, and then I locked it to avoid it moving without my permission. And now I click on the shape tool. You can move or increase the size of this square by drawing the circle at the sides. So now the next thing to do is to change the color of this shape. So you click on the shape, then click on color, the color icon. You click on the shape and then click on the color icon. Then click on the plus icon and the other icon. Then click on the image and then select the brown color and this. As you can see, the edges of this shape is too sharp and the design is not looking good. So to make it blur, we have to mix the color with white. So to make this this shape blur, we need to mix this color with white. So you click on gradients and then click on the plus icon below the gradients. So you don't have to choose any color here. And now you click on the color icon below and then select that same color you selected the other time. So now what you do now is to click on this icon and then increase the opacity of the white. So that's it. So now as you can see, our shape is still not blur. It's still not blur. So to make this shape blur, we have to convert this shape to a smart object. And in order to do that, we need to merge any shape with the shape. So I click on shape and then you move the square icon to the left and then merge it together with the existing shape. So you head to erase color and as you can see, the edges are now blurred. You can control this by using smooth edges and tolerance, increasing or decreasing till you get the sizes you want. As you can see, the edges of the shape is blurred. So guys, if you are new to this channel or you are joining us for the first time or you just discovered our channel recently, do me a favor by subscribing and hitting the notification icon so you can get updated whenever I release a new video. So now what we need to do now is I just lock this to avoid the shape from moving. So now you click on the test icon and then type in your test. So you type in the date of your birthday and then increase it using the size tool, and then increase and move it, and then you click on the AB icon to change your font. In this video I use Introline font. Link on how you can get this font is also in the description. So now you change the color to white, and then the shadow. So you enable the shadow of the text. Next thing to do now is to duplicate this and then write in or type in the dates. So use the position tool to align your design. So you also click on the text icon again to write the happy birthday text. So you write happy separate and birthday separate. For the happy birthday font, I used Astronaut font. So you head on to font and then click on Astronaut. So you have to increase the size and then the color to black using the color tool. So to write the birthday text, you have to copy this. You have to copy this and then edit it. Alright. So guys, the next thing we're going to do now is to design the circle ring. The circle ring. So to do that, you click on shapes. Click on shapes and then you pick circle shape. Now reduce your opacity to 0, the opacity of the fill color, and then now you increase the stroke width to 10 or any sizes of your choice, and now you change the color to white. This neon, this is also a tutorial how you can create a neon text or a neon shape using the same procedure. So now what I'm doing now is long pressing the circle icon, then moving it to the back of the girl PNG or your pictures PNG. So now what I did now was to click on shadow and then choose this color. This color will appear here as far as or as long as you have already used this color before. So choose another color and then make it dark a bit by increasing this to get a dark color. So what we'll do now is to import the torn paper design. So you have to rotate or and reduce this, reduce and then rotate using the rotate symbol here, and then you move it to the edge of the design. So you reduce it to around 30. I think 30 should be okay, and then you change the position. So guys, subscribe and share this video to your friends, and click on the save icon above to save your design. Save as image and then save to gallery. All done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.